Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Let's start your reading. Para sa mga gusto mo magpa-personal reading, check mo na lang si Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. By the way, medyo iba yung setup ko ngayon. Pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Ang mahalaga makarelate ka, makaresonate ka sa reading. Ayan. So, may mga times na ipopost ko yung video. Kasi medyo in and out po yung tao dito kung nasaan ako. So, pag may tao po, ay wala na lang po sabi-sabi, ipopost ko yung video po. Pero itutuloy pa rin naman natin ang reading. So, what do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. We do have here the Two of Cups, Six of Swords, the Hanged Man. Clarify the Hanged Man. Three of Cups. Okay. There's a connection, maybe connection in a relationship in the past or connection in the past na nakikita natin, you're trying to move on from this connection. At tinatry mo mag-move on. Pero hindi ka pwedeng hindi ka nagiging honest sa sarili mo. Or you're just trying to move on from the connection, pero nandun pa rin yung you're waiting na naghihintay ka. Nagmo-move on ka lang in a way na pwedeng focus ka muna sa priorities mo, sa mga nasa isip mo ngayon. Pero emotionally, pwedeng ganun. Ayaw mo lang munang masaktan ngayon, but with the Hanged Man, you're still waiting na magkaroon ng Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, ng reconciliation sa inyo nitong taong ito. Okay? You do have the Ace of Swords, King of Swords. The Fool is here. Might be you're dealing with a person na lagi kang iniisip nitong person ito eh. Pero nagpapakita sa atin yung Strength card, Leo energy. So, pwedeng nagmamatigas lang siya. And with the King of Swords, pwedeng mas nagpo-focus siya sa kanyang professional life. Pero with the Fool, nakikita natin na yung willingness nitong person na ito na mag-take ng risk dito sa connection na ito. Kaya lang, the Eight of Swords, someone is stuck with the Lovers, Gemini energy. Might be stuck itong person ito in another relationship and hindi siya makaalis. But with the Three of Wands, this person is missing you. Namimiss ka niya. Clarify the Fool. What's with the Fool? Yeah, the High Priestess. So this person feels like you are the one for him or for her. So may spiritual connection, nararamdaman niya yon with the King of Pentacles and the Four of Swords. Pero wala siyang ginagawa doon. So although nararamdaman niya, nakikita niya yung spiritual connection sa inyo, either wala siyang ginagawa or wala talaga siyang literal na magawa doon. The King of Pentacles is here. So this person is focusing on money. Yan. And tell me more. You do have the Emperor. So, talagang mataas ang ego nitong person na ito, ano? And with the Three of Wands, pero talagang miss na miss ka na niya eh. Gusto niya makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands. The Judgment is here, Queen of Wands. Marami siyang gustong sabihin with the Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Maybe regarding a child. Or maybe you do have a child with this person. So, pwede may anak kayo. Or maybe may usapan kayo regarding a child. So, marami siyang gustong sabihin doon. Itanong or malaman. The Queen of Wands, this person wants to give you advice regarding a child. And what will happen in the near future sa connection na ito? Two of Swords is here. Three of Pentacles. The Queen of Cups, the Devil, and the Temperance. Bottom of the deck is the Empress. I feel like the future for you, with regards sa person na ito, meron siyang mga desisyon na gagawin regarding money. I can see with the Temperance. I feel like matagal niyang inipon or matagal niyang hinintay na gawin itong desisyon na to. The Queen of Cups is nakakita tayo dito ng some kind of award or something na gustong ibigay itong person na to, and maybe planong niyang ibigay sa'yo ito or gusto niya ibigay sa'yo ito. But with the Devil, let's clarify this. I feel like this person, magkakaroon siya ng courage or lakas ng loob na gawin or ibigay ito sa'yo. Whatever this decision is, pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa'yo. And I feel like maybe this is a promise na ibibigay nitong person na ito sa pagbabalik niya. And you do have the Four of Cups. You don't know or you're not sure kung i-accept mo ito. Maybe some kind of apology pag hingi ng tawad mula sa person na ito or pagdating ng person na ito, pero pagdating niya maaaring hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Yeah. And you do have here the Seven of Pentacles. Clarify the Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles. I feel like in the near future, you will be focusing on money. So, pwede pagdating dito sa nito ng person na ito, ang mas focus mo is money during that time. So, hindi ko nakikita na kapag may ginagawa ka regarding dun sa kung ano man yung ipe-present niya sa'yo. So, anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully, nakarelate, nakaresonate ka sa reading. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. I love you all. And please do comment down below. Ma-appreciate ko yung comment niyo. Thank you for watching. And ayan, any comments will do ha. Basta positive. Heart, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Thank you po ulit. And bye-bye.